In Ireland, we are improving our response to the energy and climate targets and upskilling our workforce. We're very good on energy efficiency, but we have a huge amount of work to do in relation to the circular economy, renewable energy, building information systems and digital technology. So there is a large skill gap, both for our professionals and for our craft workers across the entire construction chain, across all sectors. But we're working very hard. We have a very good education and training system that's collaborating between further education, higher education and private providers. So the skills gap has been mapped in Ireland through the Build Up Skills initiative. So we know the areas that we have to identify, and also our national expert group on skills has also looked at the skills gap. So we know what we have to address, and we're working hard to fill those gaps. The Technological University of Shannon is working with further education and training boards, the Irish Green Building Council and industry stakeholders such as the Construction Industry Forum in Ireland to understand the new ways that we can deliver training. So we're mapping out the skills gap and developing new and innovative ways of training. For example, in my university we have the Digital Academy for the Sustainable Built Environment, which is developing a whole range of programs from digital skills, the use of drones in construction, circular economy, traditional buildings, and we're delivering those in innovative ways using blended and online learning. The new Fit for 55 package, which has the Energy Efficiency Directive, the Renewable Energy Directive and the Energy Performance of Buildings Directive, really are setting a really strong policy framework and legislative framework for our member states, in particular Ireland, to respond to. So our new building regulations have forced the industry to look at energy efficiency. Now the EED, the RED Directive and the EPBD will push those envelopes even further. So industry needs to understand how to upskill, looking at near zero, energy plus buildings, and even the circular economy, where we are looking at low carbon buildings and embodied carbon. This is the next phase of development that we have to address in the sector in Ireland. I think the critical thing is to really show that the construction sector and the built environment sector in Ireland is now, and across Europe, is now a really dynamic, innovative sector where we're using digital technologies, we're using low carbon materials. It's a sector that can bring employment to a wide range of people in their regions. One of the challenges is to diversify the workforce to include more females. So the game changer, I think, is really to get a really strong European-wide and national communication campaign that attracts highly skilled people into the sector so we can achieve our energy targets.